The official first day of spring is right around the corner, and that means a lot of you will start your spring cleaning if you haven't already due to other issues. If you want to declutter from the winter accumulation and get rid of any lingering germs, there are eco-friendly ways to do it. This is all part of our Sustainable Change series here on AMHQ. Let's bring in National Home Improvement expert and host of today's Homeowner, Danny Lipford, to give us a few tips. Hey, Danny, let's talk a little bit about this. You know, certainly the kitchen, there's a lot of germs that can accumulate in the kitchen, especially over the winter because we spend a lot of time there. What's the most eco-friendly way to actually clean the kitchen?
Well, I'd say I'm right in the middle of it because actually tomorrow I'm moving out of this house that I've lived in for 29 years. Have to get it ready to put on the market, so there's a lot of cleaning involved. And everything you really need to clean around your house is probably in your kitchen. Baking soda, lemons, and white vinegar is about all you need. Here's a few things you can do. Lemon slices, you put it in any kind of pan, and then you put your vinegar in there, let it sit overnight, and then you can use that in a spray bottle to clean anything in your house. That's one thing. Another thing, take a lemon slice and attack your cutting board with it. That'll really disinfect it and of course make it smell really good. If you have any rust around your house when you're cleaning up, also baking soda and water, you can make a paste that'll take care of any of that rust. Any smells in the kitchen may be coming from your garbage disposal or your dishwasher. Here's what you need to do with this. Take some baking soda, put it right in the garbage disposal, pour that in. That'll create, you see what it's doing, it's working for you right there. Leave it there for a few minutes and then flush it out with hot water. Dishwasher, take a little vinegar, empty the dishwasher, put it right in the dishwasher, run it one time, it'll clean it, make it smell so good. And you can also make a paste out of the baking soda and water and use that on the bottom of your oven, let it sit there an hour, wipe it clean. It's that easy.
Gosh, Danny, so many things with just a few items around the house. All right, windows. You see the windows get dirty all winter long. And here comes the pollen season as well, so you might want to wait till after that. But what's the easiest way to tackle the windows?
Well, I'll tell you, take 50% water and 50% vinegar. I mean, vinegar is like a miracle, I think, around the house. Put it in a spray bottle. But what I would do is get 2 spray bottles and 2 microfiber cloths. One person inside, one person outside, working on the exact same window. Yeah. That way you don't miss a thing. Don't forget the frames and the screens while you're doing it. If you do it right, you really only need to do it about once a year, and it's a lot easier and less time-consuming than a lot of people really realize.
All right, I know this is mostly an inside thing, but we've got about 30 seconds here. Can you or can't you use eco-friendly products for the black or the mold and mildew that's been accumulating out on the patio or the bricks? Is there any easy way to get rid of that that's eco-friendly?
Well, you certainly can, and the first thing a lot of people do will grab regular chlorine bleach. Don't do that. Use oxygen bleach. It's a lot friendlier to the environment. It's less caustic, and it's very, very effective in attacking that mold and mildew inside or outside the home.
Thanks, Danny. Always appreciate you, buddy. So much of that, especially with the wet South coming up. Again, that's home improvement expert and today's homeowner, Danny Lipford, moving out of his house for 29 years.